Job definition format. It is XML based. It tells a professional printing press how to print a job, paper type, ink, folding. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the job ticket. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the JDF file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. The JDF file extension is associated with the job definition format, an industry-standard file format used in the printing and graphic arts industry. JDF files contain detailed information about a print job, including specifications for layout, color management, finishing, and other production-related parameters. This format facilitates automated workflow and communication between different systems. JDF files are structured using XML, Extensible Markup Language, to define the various attributes and parameters of a print job. They can encompass a wide range of information, from pre-press settings to post-press instructions, enabling seamless integration between different stages of the printing process. JDF aims to streamline production and reduce errors by providing a comprehensive and standardized job ticket. The JDF data container is optimally managed by Adobe Acrobat DC developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows cannot represent the full visual arrangement, so professional editing tools are essential. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your JDF file and click Open With. If Adobe Acrobat DC is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If you are still having trouble opening the JDF file, do not worry. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your JDF file. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad++, to view the XML structure of the print job definition. Next, use Associated Program. Determine the associated program, e.g. Adobe Acrobat Printing Workflow System, that created the file. Finally, validate structure. Use an online XML validator to check the file for syntax errors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.